Guys, breaking news has just dropped for Kishu Inu. They just announced that they are partnering with Travala.com, a big travel company with over 2 million properties on their site. This is massive, and Kishu has dropped another bomb a couple days ago with a huge marketing campaign. What is going on here, and will Kishu go to the moon this summer? If you're new to the channel, welcome back to Crypto Trends, where we cover the latest crypto news to make you more money. If you want to stay up to date on the latest crypto news, sub to the channel and join us in the Crypto Trends army. Okay, we have to cover this major announcement from Kishu today because it is a huge bomb. So let's start out with it. They were teasing this all throughout the day and yesterday on Telegram, and they finally dropped it today at 11 o'clock. So pay for your next holiday with Kishu. We are pleased to join forces with Travala.com, a pioneer in the travel booking industry here in Cryptoland. This partnership represents yet another step for Kishu to bring real-world utility to the community. We all want you to be able to use Kishu to live those magical and rich experiences that make travel so special. I like that. I like that line. With Travala.com, you get access to over 3 million travel products in 230 plus countries and savings of up to 40% on hotels. In addition, this is another opportunity for Kishu to boost its brand awareness along Travala.com's large and rapidly growing user base. Kishu Travala integration is nearing completion, and we will have a joint announcement when we're live in the coming week, so very soon. In the meantime, we'll be doing AVA giveaways for their community, so stay tuned. Okay, so this is huge and a great step in the right direction for Kishu. Kishu has had, in the past, integrations with other payment providers like Shopping.io, but this is a huge one for the travel space, and travel right now across the globe is so popular with so many people booking travel vacations. So this is an awesome, awesome idea that Kishu's team had, and they must have been organizing this for a while, so it shows how smart they are to have months ago planned this. And so let's actually take a look at Travala.com, because probably many of you don't know what they are. I've heard of them before, but they're relatively new. They were founded in 2007. And it says they're trusted by thousands of customers worldwide. I bet it doesn't say exactly how many people are on it, but I bet it would be at least 50,000 to 100,000. So right now they have 2 million properties, 2.2 million, covering 90,000 destinations in 230 countries and territories. So this is not just a small operation that Kishu's partnered with. This is a big, big travel agency. And they actually have their own token, Ava, which is what Kishu was referring to in the Telegram. That's the native token of the platform. And so this is an awesome, awesome partnership. We can go here and see Travala. I mean, it looks like a really, really nice site. I haven't personally used it yet, but I do see here that it's a crypto-friendly travel booking. So I probably will use it in the future. And they actually put out this really cool teaser themselves. So let's actually take a look at it right on Twitter. This was the Twitter announcement. They got this great graphic here. Already 9,000 people almost watched it. And I really like the graphics that they use in it. They always do such a great job. And if you actually check out Travala here, Travala's got 110,000 people, 111,000 followers on their Twitter. So they have a big audience too. And now Kishu gets to go in front of them. And if we actually take a look for the day, Kishu's price actually jumped pretty good right here. And it kind of fell back now a bit, but it's still up about 4% for the day, so that's awesome. And so I really like this announcement from Kishu's team. They are still working hard, even in a market that's less than ideal this summer. They are still pumping out all these great integrations, and when the market comes back, Kishu will go up a lot. And so I told you guys that there's another announcement too, so let's cover that because that was also a huge, really cool branding opportunity that Kishu did. So this was actually from August 1st, which was yesterday, and they had this great announcement when they hit 200K holders. So Kishu's team actually been hyping this up for a while, that once they hit 200K, they were going to make some kind of big announcement, and they did not disappoint. They are giving out a Tesla. So let's read the actual message. Hello, Kishu Army. 200K holders. To celebrate this milestone, we are giving out a 2021 Tesla. Wow, so not even an old one, a brand new one. Marketing and promos incoming. Maybe Elon Musk will notice. Tag him. We also have more news this week for Kishu/Tenshi. And again, I love this graphic. How good are the Kishu graphic designers? They are always doing funny and clever graphics just like this one. And they tag Elon Musk. I think it's only a matter of time before Elon actually responds to them, because they tag him a lot and he likes the dog tokens like this. Eventually, they're going to hook him correctly. And so I'm really excited to see what else Kishu's team does. If you remember, they had tons of world tour type stuff. They went to New York. They went to Dubai. They went to LA, right? They're going to probably have more things and partner with Travala. And then when they're having these destination things, they'll probably do partnerships and giveaways for travel with Travala. And I'm really excited to see what they do there. So this Travala partnership was massive for them, and I really think it's going to attract a bunch of people who weren't in Kishu to the Kishu community. But I want to hear what you guys think. Are you pumped for this? I think it's really cool, but I want to hear what you guys think. What are you more pumped for? Are you pumped for the Tesla giveaway? Are you more pumped for the Travala integration? Have you used Travala? Let me know all these things in the comments, and I will see you guys all in the next episode.